Today is El Gran Clásico, and you don't need me to tell you the significance of this match. It's John Champion, alongside me is Jim Beglin, and the atmosphere is building at the Vallecas.
Well, I think we're very fortunate to be sitting here watching this one, John. I'm really looking forward to what should be a really exciting match.
The teams then, Real Madrid against Barcelona. Let's take a look then at the two teams. Barcelona considered by many to be the ultimate football club.
And you know that the supporters own and operate the club.
And that's key, isn't it, in the philosophy?
Absolutely. I mean, they're one of the most successful clubs in Spain's history, and they're very proud of that tradition.
And we're now underway. The ball's with Modric. Here's Di Maria. It's an opportunity. It's in. That really puts them in charge early on.
That's a dream start for this team, and they'll need to contain their joy a little and focus now on how they're going to follow it up.
You put that down to good finishing or to poor defending?
Well, I'd put that down to great anticipation. He was on the move before any defender reacted. Wonderful.
We didn't have to wait long for the first goal.
Listen, whatever the manager has said before the game started, it's worth the treat. This is bright and sharp, and I think that goal is fully deserved.
Barcelona with a free kick. Daniel Alves. Jordi Alba. And he hits it in towards the middle. Di Maria. Modric. Cristiano Ronaldo on the ball. Callejon. Pedro plays this forward. Cesc Fabregas. Now Iniesta. That could have been really special.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out.
Here's Raul Albiol. Modric. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? He's latched onto it. Cristiano Ronaldo's there. Just off target.
Or maybe he just cut across the shot slightly and that made it track the wrong side of the post, but that's very unlucky.
Intercepted. Here's Xavi. A chance! 15 minutes played. This could be interesting. Now he's ready for a shot. He decides to shoot. Cleared away to safety. It was great play by the defence there, and it's out for a throw-in. Here is Essien. Iniesta on the ball. They're off on the counter. Iniesta. Essien.
Well, it's a sharper cutting edge they need in front of goal.
Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Bit of space on the flank. Onside. Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. Well, this just about the ideal distance out. This is a great chance to increase the lead. Daniel Alves. Xavi. It's a throw-in. Slides it through. Possibility here for a cross. Takes a shot, and the chance accepted with some aplomb. And how vital might that be for Barcelona? That was a teasing finish.
Well, when you go one-on-one with the keeper, you can't afford any indecision, and that was decisive and clinical.
They kick off with parity restored.
Yeah, in a game like this, every chance is vital, but they're back on level terms.
Possibility for a shot. They've got a corner there. Hits a ball in. Here's a shot. They've scored. That could well turn out to be the winner they've been looking for. Great goal that. Great team goal, in fact.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
They've got a precious one-goal lead. And Piqué. Here's Puyol. 30 minutes on the clock in the first half. Now Cristiano Ronaldo. Chance. It's clear. Xabi Alonso. The ball's with Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo. From distance, it lacked accuracy.
Well, he caught that one right on the meat. Cracking effort.
Cristiano Ronaldo, who's set up one goal so far. Xavi. He's got in. Callejon, who's already made an impact on this game. There's a shooting opportunity here. Here's Xabi Alonso. He can take the shot on here.
Well, he didn't have much on there. I thought he had to go it alone.
Callejon. Guided clear. Got it. Here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Xavi. Chance for a counter then. It's on for him. Modric. Here's Benzema. Modric! And the keeper's there to claim it.
He knows very well he can score from that distance. Not quite this time.
Piqué. The whistle goes and it's the end of the first half.
This has been good to watch. I think they've shown some real quality on and off the ball, stretched the opposition defenders all over the pitch. All they need now is to continue in the same fashion, add to that tally.
3 goals we've seen in the first half. It's 2-1. Real Madrid against Barcelona. Here's Puyol. This is very pleasing on the eye. Essien. This is lovely passing to watch. Wants to get this forward. The flag stays down. It's opened up nicely for him. And the chance accepted with some aplomb. It's a comfortable lead now, 2 goals. Really quick reactions to the loose ball.
I know questions will be asked of that defence, but there was an element of good fortune in that.
They now lead by 2.
To go 2 up though just allows that lovely bit of breathing space.
It's on for him. No, that's not going to make it. Xabi Alonso. Callejon. Xabi Alonso on the ball. Free kick given. And the referee wants words. It's a booking. You can see what the player thinks of that decision. It's back to the old argument about referees who've never played the game at this level. And Real Madrid with a set piece. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Cesc Fabregas, still on the attack here. Now Messi, can he now find a finish? He waited far too long there.
Oh, he was way too tentative there. It was almost like he was too afraid to miss it.
Here's Modric. They're breaking out quickly here. Jordi Alba. Here's Cesc Fabregas. The linesman's kept his flag down. Good attacking pressure there. Throw in a decent area. Sends it to the middle, and they've hooked it clear. Alexis Sanchez. Could be a chance now. That stopped the danger. Good interception from the defender, and it's cleared for a throw-in. Cristiano Ronaldo. There it is. They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. It is scintillating to watch.
Yeah, this is a lovely brand of football we're watching. They're playing with flair and enterprise, and there's a real cutting edge to their attack.
They now enjoy a 3-goal lead. He's onside. Mistimed lunge, and the free kick's given. Yep, referee's gone to his pocket. It's a yellow for a fairly careless challenge he didn't really have to make. Could have been another colour too. Certainly some sections of the crowd think red would have been more appropriate. Still not cleared properly. Not this time.
Well, he was right in front of goal, and he probably should have scored, to be fair.
Pepe. A fine display of slick passing. Cristiano Ronaldo. Modric, who has an assist to his name. That's dangerous. Here's Cesc Fabregas. Well, there was a chance to get the ball into the area, but maybe it's gone now. Iniesta! They've done it! They have pulled one back. A great finish in a one-on-one situation.
Well, although the keeper looked an imposing figure then, he remained totally unfazed and took the chance with great ease.
He's got 2 in this game, he's on a hat-trick. Is there a fight back on the cards? Now the chance! Oh, he's lost it. Cristiano Ronaldo. Callejon.
Well, it's all very tight in that area. I think they should play a longer pass.
Plays this forward. This is lovely passing to watch. He's onside here. Cristiano Ronaldo, and a goal! They have a 3-goal advantage, and that should be enough. He escaped the shackles and finished very well.
Yeah, defensively they thought they had him where they wanted him, but he's forever on his toes and he showed terrific movement to manufacture some space and score.
They get us underway, now 3 goals behind. Now through to Alexis Sanchez. Callejon. He's got in. Modric. No, it was cut out. And Iniesta tries to slide it past the defence. And Lionel Messi sets off on one of his trademark runs. Keeper claims it.
That's a great individual effort, almost rounded it off in style, but the finish is just not quite good enough.
85 minutes played. Daniel Alves, Alexis Sanchez, a fine display of slick passing. Looking for width. Iniesta! Kicked off. And again, puts it away. The players celebrating the goal, but it won't count. Look at that flag. The referee says no goal.
Oh, his goal-scoring celebrations are going to be cut short. The flag was up for offside, even if the referee didn't spot it straight away.
Sergio Ramos. The ball's with Modric. And Benzema. Cristiano Ronaldo. Here he is. He's onside. He hits it. Another goal. Riveting, ruthless, relentless. A very classy finish that. He'll be taking the match ball home.
Well, he's been the outstanding player on the pitch and devastating in front of the goal. What a display. What a player.
They have this game in their hands now. Alexis Sanchez. He sends it in. And the cross is too long. That'll be a corner. Ball in. Adriano. Nicely worked. The ball played into space nicely. And that brings to an end 90 minutes of football. Plenty of positives to take away from this game, I think, especially from the performance of the strikers. We saw some finishing of the very highest order. So before we leave the stadium, there's just time for me to say my thanks to Jim for his analysis and to wish you a very good evening.